Namaskar. In this video, I am going to share a glimpse of my little temple and the idols I have collected over the years. Each one has its own story, its own connection, and its own significance in my life. This is my Ma Kali, and the story of how I brought her into my life is already shared in many of my videos, and I hope to talk about her more in coming days. The video you are watching is from Ganesh Chaturthi 2022 if I remember correctly. The green dhoti Ganpati you see here is now my favorite. He was a gift from a dear friend, and ever since I talk to him daily, holding his trunk for a sense of peace and calm that words can't explain. And just by holding his trunk and resting my head next to his, I get my daily dose of love and energy to start the day. The white Ganpati you see is meant for Visarjan. This is my Chote Laddu Gopal ji, and behind him is my Ma Kalika. Did you know that Adya Kali Jayanti and Krishna Janmashtami always fall on the same day? It's a fascinating connection I hope to cover in the future. This is my Bade Laddu Gopal ji, my lifeline. He has been with me through thick and thin, and I often wonder what will happen to him when I am no longer here to take care of him. And then there is Ma Durga, gifted by my mother, and Saraswati Ma, given to me by a close family friend. Most of the idols in my temple hold a similar story. They were gifted by someone close to me. This is my Baba Mahadev. Some people say that dancing Mahadev idol shouldn't be kept at home, and again this was a gift, but not all dances of Mahadev are Tandav. Many of his dance forms are joyful and auspicious, and I'm going to cover more about it in my future videos. And now here is my lazy Ganpati. I adore him for his laid back pose and his ever joyful demeanor. I found him at the Cottage Emporium in Delhi, a place my mom and I often visited. Since her passing, visiting it has become a way to feel close to her. The last time I went, I got a beautifully illustrated Ramayana with golden siding, a truly regal book. Sometimes you get some real nice stuff over there. This Shivling is from my first trip to Kedarnath ji and has been with me ever since. I think this is the first Vigraha that I ever bought. The video you are watching is from Ganpati Navratre that starts with Ganesh Chaturthi. I shared some insights about Ganpati Baba on my channel, and I was really amazed when I read in Brahma Vaivarta Puran about Ganpati's origin, including Ma Parvati's Vrat and Baba Mahadev's guidance for the same. For Ganpati Utsav, I used to handle all decorations and cooking myself, making garlands and creating a vibrant atmosphere. But after COVID, my practices shifted inward. Now my time is spent meditating for hours and hours and hours, reading scriptures and constantly talking to Ma Gauri and Baba Mahadev. Like you say, that Mansik Jap, it just keeps on going and going and going. COVID changed many of us in ways we never imagined. For me, it was during this time that I found Ma Kali, and she took me on a path I had never envisioned. I never wanted to go on this path, but maybe it was destined for me. Her presence has been transformative, and I hope to share this journey with you all soon. I have shared some parts of it, but there is so much more to it. If it helped me, I hope it can help even one person out there looking for guidance and a motherly touch in this vast world. And I can guarantee you that you are going to get it. If you'll just call her Ma, she'll come and she's never going to leave you alone. अगर माँ कालिका आपकी लाइफ में आ रही हैं तो इसका मतलब आपकी लाइफ में बहुत सारे चेंजेस आने वाले हैं। माइंडसेट से लेके आपके एक्शंस तक आपको अपना थॉट प्रोसेस बदलना पड़ेगा, मेहनत करने की आदत डालनी पड़ेगी और जाति धर्म सीमाओं से ऊपर उठकर सोल और यूनिवर्स के टर्म में सोचना पड़ेगा। एंड इफ़ यू सी दीज आर ऑल एनर्जी फॉर्म्स, सारी एनर्जीज एक ही जगह जाकर कन्वर्ज करती हैं। एग्जाम्पल के लिए पाइथागोरस थ्योरम को ग्रीक मैथमेटिशियन या कहीं की फिलोसोफर पाइथागोरस ऑफ सैमियोस ने लिखा था। बट इज इट ओनली फॉर ग्रीक्स? और क्या आप वो ही खाली पाइथागोरस थ्योरम को यूज़ कर सकते हैं या समझ सकते हैं या उनको अधिकार है कि सिर्फ वही यूज़ करें? ऑब्वियसली नॉट, राइट? इसी तरह हमारे तंत्र मंत्र और साधनाएं किसी कास्ट या रिलीजन के लिए लिमिटेड नहीं है, किसी देश के लिए लिमिटेड नहीं है। ये हर उस इंसान के लिए है जो अपनी एनर्जीज डिवाइन फोर्सेस के साथ अलाइन करना चाहता है। सोच को ऊपर उठाइए, थोड़ा प्रोग्रेसिव बनिए। जब हम साधना करते हैं तो बेसिकली हम यूनिवर्स की एनर्जीज को साध रहे होते हैं और खुद को उनके साथ अलाइन कर रहे होते हैं। इसलिए डुअलिज्म से आगे बढ़कर नॉन डुअलिज्म की तरफ जाना बहुत जरूरी है। माँ काली या माँ भगवती को समझने के लिए आपको एनर्जीज और फिजिक्स की टर्म्स में सोचना ही पड़ेगा। माँ काली इज द मोस्ट पावरफुल कॉस्मिक फोर्स, क्रिएशन, डिस्ट्रक्शन एंड ऑल द थिंग्स इन बिटवीन। सबको वो कंट्रोल करके रखती हैं। लेकिन माँ इज अ वेरी टफ टीचर, शी विल पुश यू, टेस्ट यू, लेकिन साथ ही फियर्सली प्रोटेक्ट भी करेंगी। एट द एंड ऑफ द डे चॉइस हमारी है। क्या हम उनकी एनर्जीज को, उनकी पावर को, उनकी प्रेजेंस को एम्ब्रेस करना चाहते हैं और एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी लाइफ जीना चाहते हैं, या डर और कॉम्प्रोमाइजेस के साथ साथ एक मीडियोकर लाइफ में खुश रहते हैं? बाकी अगले वीडियो में। चलिए, नमस्ते चंडिकाएं।